staying with us, where a cloudburst that has now been reported in Dharamshala's Baksu area, where several vehicles and hotels have now been damaged in heavy flooding that is taking place. Vehicles were also seen getting washed away in the flooding caused due to the cloudburst near the Baksu village. Let's get you a ground report. Well, Amandeep, can you give us a ground report? Because of the flash floods that is taking place, it has damaged significant public property there, and rescue operations, we are also told, that are continuing now for several hours. What is the latest update that you can share with us?
The latest is that the Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, Jairam Thakur, has already issued the directions to all the Deputy Commissioners of Himachal Pradesh and sounded an alert that any time the uncertain situation can prevail in the state, the way it was reported in Baksu Nag waterfall and Kangra district. And in fact, he has also asked the local police to deploy the corps at the riverside as well as the rivaluates and waterfalls so that they can guide the tourists to stay away from these kind of spots, just because this is always remain on the top of the list of all the tourist destinations. And even if we talk about the Baksu Nag flood flash, even local administration is taking stock of the situation about the losses and property damage, and it will be reported to the Chief Minister, and further the relief will be announced accordingly. And on the other side, Meteorological Department has also sounded the orange alert in the entire state and asked the people to stay safe, and state disaster management teams are also on their toes and launched the rescue operation, especially in the Baksu Nag Valley and even in the Kangra as well. But meanwhile, Amita, the most important point is that now when the tourist footfall has seen in a maximum number in Himachal Pradesh, such kind of situation is actually very threatening to those situations which are the tourist destinations for the people. And even
the Met Department has revised its warning and has escalated it to an orange alert with a prediction to heavy to very heavy rainfall in the plains area. As at least, let's quickly listen into the Chief Minister, what he has to say on the cloudburst that has taken place near Dharamshala.
डिप्टी कमिश्नर को इस बात को के लिए तैयार कर दिया है कि वो अपने अपने जिले में विभाग को अलर्ट पर रखे, क्योंकि बारिश के मौसम में कहीं भी किसी प्रकार की कठिनाई किसी पर्यटक को भी ना हो, और उसके साथ साथ में अगर इस प्रकार की बाढ़ या बादल फटने की घटना घटित होती है तो रेस्क्यू के लिए जो है वो अपने आप को जो है ऑपरेशन को प्रभावी ढंग से करने के लिए उसके लिए तैयारी रखें। उस दृष्टि से मैंने आज डिप्टी कमिश्नर कांगड़ा से बातचीत हुई है, और सरवीन चौधरी जी माननीय मंत्री है, इनके क्षेत्र में भी शाहपुर में भी जो है वो एक जो है नदी जो है वो बहुत पानी उसमें बारिश का ज़्यादा आने के कारण नुकसान उसने भी किया है। तो मकलोडगंज की जो बात कही है, मैं अभी देख रहा था, हमको कांगड़ा से कुछ फ़ोन आ रहे थे, मैं उसकी सारी डिटेल्स वर्कआउट करता हूँ, जो भी उसमें करने का होगा निश्चित रूप से करेंगे। नहीं, पर्यटकों के लिए मेरी खास तौर से इसी बात के लिए पर्यटक हिमाचल प्रदेश में आए घूमें, लेकिन फिर भी उसके बावजूद जो बरसात के मौसम में खास तौर से जो एहतियात जो बरतने की ज़रूरत है, नदी के करीब नहीं जाना, नदी में इस तरह से नाले में जाकर के फ़ोटो खींचने नहीं जाना, ऐसी बातों को लेकर के ध्यान में रखने की आवश्यकता है। और एसपी डिप्टी कमिश्नर को भी हमने कहा है कि जो टूरिस्ट आ रहे हैं, बहुत जगह उनको इस प्रकार की चीज़ों की जानकारी नहीं रहती है कि यहाँ जो है वो रास्ता बंद हो सकता है, यहाँ जाने से जो है उस प्रकार की कठिनाई हो सकती है, तो उन सारी चीज़ों को जो है वो जानकारी उनको देते रहें, थोड़ा सा मॉनिटरिंग करें उसमें।
Well, Amandeep, a quick update right after the Chief Minister's reaction there, because it is the direct intervention there of the state government which is looking into the entire damage to public property that is also taking place, and if there are any stranded tourists, they will be rescued as soon as possible. Just give us a sense of the teams that have now been formed by the state government to assess the damage that has been caused.
Well, exactly, Amita. First, the Dharamshala administration on the toes to take the stock of the situation regarding the damage of the Bhaksunag Valley and even the Kangra district also. But meanwhile, all the deputy commissioners has been pushed on a very urgent basis, and the state disaster management teams are on their toes to deal with such kind of uncertainty. Meanwhile, the police will be deployed on the spots, tourist spots, that is riverside, waterfall side, as well as evaluates, so that the tourist can avoid going such situation till the time the alert can be mellowed down. Just because the orange alert has already been issued, and even now CM directly monitoring this entire situation after the flash floods in Dharamshala, and now on the other side, administration is also gathering the information about the villages which are disconnected due to these floods, just because the people staying in those villages are completely cut off from the cities and they might be facing the problems of connectivity. So this is the entire situation when the Chief Minister is entirely intervening into this entire issue, and the administration will report about the damage as well as the standard tourist also, and about the rescue operations also. Yes.
Getting us those live updates there, even as we play out what the Chief Minister of the state has to say, as all DCs have now been informed about the situation and has directed to prepare with any kind of uncertainty. Whether police teams have also been informed, rather to keep the tourists away from those tourist destinations for now until the entire area is clear.